Hello, my name is Kenneth Pinedilla. I'm making a video presentation about the topic on chapter 9, which is Python manipulation and data string methods. First, let's discuss what is string. A string is a collection of alphabets, words, or other characters. It is one of the primitive data structures and are the building blocks for data manipulation. Python has a built-in string named str. Python strings are immutable, which means they cannot be changed after they are created. For string manipulation, we create new strings as we go to represent computed values because of their immutable property. So here I have a sample of simple string, and I am going to discuss the other string methods that can be used. First, let's try the capitalized string method and run. This method brings us the capitalized first letter of the string. Here, from this to a capital letter. Also, we can use lower string method, which give us a lower case of all the words on our string. So, lahat ng nakakapital o malalaking letra sa string natin is i-convert niya into small letters. For example, yung sample from big letters into small letters. From lower, meron din naman tayong uppercase string method, which ang effect is vice versa. If ang lower, ginagawang lowercase ang lahat ng uppercase. Sa upper naman, lahat ng lowercase is ginagawa niyang uppercase. So, lahat ng word dito sa string natin is gagawin niyang uppercase. Meron din naman tayong swap case string method, which ang ginagawa is siniswap yung letters na maliliit into capitalized. For example, yung sample natin dito is all big letters. Then, pagdating dito sa output natin is small letters na lang. Except from the others kasi small letters na sila from the start. And also last is the title string, which gives us the capital letter of every first letter word on our string. For example, this, the I of is, A, sample S, of, the O, and string, the S. So here are the list of string methods that can be used. First, the title and the upper, lower, and the swap case. Again, title string method give us the first letter of every word capitalized, and the upper is making all the letters of the string in uppercase. Lower is making all the words in our string into lowercase, and the swap case is making swap the lowercase into uppercase and the uppercase into lowercase of the words that within our string. And that's it for my video presentation about string methods that can be used on a string on Python. Thank you.